Hello, everyone. My name is Kimberly Cooper, and my field placement will take place at a child welfare agency in which I will be partaking in the experience of community engagement. So, a lot of the field placement is going to require that I work out in the community. What I expect from the field placement is to learn in a different environment, meet new people, become more familiar with community stakeholders, policies, resources, and be amongst different behaviors. Um, I'm excited because this type of environment is different from my current job. This environment deals with a community base. As far as concerns, I don't really have any concerns right now. I just want to get started. I'm just anxious to start. So for right now, I don't have any concerns. How I plan on managing my excitement and if any concerns arise for me is through being open-minded, time management, incorporating better sleeping habits and better eating habits, some exercise in my life. Also, making sure that I make time for leisure, things that I really enjoy in life, and just trying to keep a balance. So I look forward to working with everyone and hearing about their field placement experiences. Goodbye.